This is Erin from Hebei DAPU Machinery Company. Today we are going to show you the CNC Gabion machine. This one is the spring making machine, which is used to make this wire and feed into main machine. This machine, you can see we have 6 payoff and the upper feeding system feed into this spring machine. This spring machine with 6 rulers and it's a PLC control with servo motor feeding and rolling. It can working automatically. This is the CNC Gabion machine. Next, we will check details. This machine totally equipped with 3 servo motors. This one is 11 kilowatts servo motor for controlling the half gear moving. Next one is 15 kilowatts for the mesh pulling with transmission. This is 22 kilowatts servo motor with reducer controlling the mesh twisting, 3 twists or 5 twists. With this reducer, will give machine higher precision. The CNC Gabion machine equipped very convenient program with Chinese, English system. And when you want to make 3 twists or 5 twists, you can choose from here. When you choose it, the machine will change automatically, so it's very user-friendly. CNC Gabion machine, upper and lower, totally with 4 gears, and all of these 4 gears with power, just like the 4-wheel drive car. But mechanical Gabion machine only 2 gears with power, just like the 2-wheel drive car. This is the difference. The chamfer of this output hole is bigger, so when you use PVC wire, it will not easily broken. Our CNC Gabion machine part is equipped with the nylon plates, which are more sturdy and durable. The lubrication system is equipped with an automatic oiling device. This CNC Gabion machine uses several servo motors to control different areas, so this machine with higher precision and efficiency, easily maintenance with less trouble. Mechanical one is only one motor control all of that by gear transmission, so will be more trouble. This CNC Gabion machine is high speed, so the output is almost double the mechanical one. This is the automatic mesh cutting machine. Where the mesh feed in from the main machine, it will feed in through the rulers, and we will set the cutting length by the touch screen. When the wheel length reach the parameter you set, it will cut automatically. This is the edge wrapping machine, which wraps each end of the night sheet around the pre-cut straight wire. This is hydraulic packing machine, compress the mesh fabric for packaging, saving transportation and storage space. This is the mesh roller, can be worked automatically with main machine together. It can roll several meshes at the same time. At the end, you can choose mesh roller or mesh cutter to make mesh panels.